Hi everyone, welcome to the world of Java. And today I'm going to talk about the inheritance in Java by talking about a quick recap on what is object-oriented programming and what is a relationship. And finally, I will talk about what is polymorphism. So first, what is object-oriented programming? It's basically a summary of a common attribute of different things. For example, as you see here, I have a class car that have the attributes like brand, color, seat number, speed, and they have methods that it can start, it can run, it can stop, and maybe there will be more method if it's possible. Well, it is true that there's a lot of cars that is similar to each other. However, there are cars that is not. So in this case, what should we do to deal with a totally different but similar in a sense of a class? Should we just create another one, or is there a better way? Let's play with something cute, puppies. Imagine we have 3 puppies, a corgi, a pug, and a husky. Well, they do share a lot of things in common, that they all have size, they have weight, they have color, but they do have things different. For example, when they bark, what they want to eat. Well, in that case, what should we do? Well, Mr. S says, what about we create some classes for each of them, respectively? Well, let's try it out. First, as what we did for cars, we create a corgi class, have the attribute age, weight, leg number, and all the methods. Similarly, we create a pug class, and also we create a husky class. As you can see here, they have so many things in common that they are like basically the same attribute, or the very similar methods, and well, the play method is even exactly the same. In that case, this is too much redundant. And let's think about this. What if we have a lot of puppies? Well, congratulations, that's all you need, because you just need to copy and paste. But that's not what programming wants, because that's what we call a spaghetti code, because there is too much redundant work and we want to avoid it. What can we do? Inheritance. Well, let me go over some really important term first. A superclass is a class which features are inherited from. A subclass or a child class is a class that inherits from other classes. And finally, is a relationship represents that every subclass is a superclass. Well, this may sound really abstract to you, but let me get it straight with an example. Imagine we have a class dog, and we want to create a class husky by extend dog, which means husky is a subclass of the superclass dog. Well, as you can see here, I just get rid of a lot of redundant work that we don't need to do it anymore, because I can basically inherit all of the public attribute, a lot of the method from the superclass. Well, for the constructor, just on the note that you need to invoke the superclass constructor because it doesn't really inherit from it. And for illustration of is a relationship, that we need to know that husky is a dog to actually make it can extend dog. But there is things that is interesting, that as you can see, husky have 2 eat method. What is happening here? Let's take a quick look at husky class. The first eat is different than the dog class, but it's kind of the same because they have the same name, and this is what we call overloading. The second one have exactly the same method signatures, but it's different on what it do, and this will be called overriding. And all of this too is called polymorphism, which means poly means many and morphism means form. So we are able to build different form of the same method. Just a wrap up of what I have done today. So object-oriented programming, we can reduce complexity and increase reusability. With inheritance, we are able to eliminate so much redundant work. And with polymorphism, we are able to increase flexibility and replace a lot of if statements to have different case for all the subclass. And after you know that, good luck exploring the inheritance world. I will see you next time. Bye bye.